this is.
Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. This is going to be a very different video for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to get the most expensive bedding look for like 90% off, 95% off. You guys ever see those comforters that are like plush and huge and they weigh 200 pounds and they look like they're just like you just want to jump on them? I'm going to show you guys how to save you guys so much money. And I know you guys can probably relate to these struggles of clutter like I have. So let's go ahead and just jump to that video and show you what I did. Okay, so this is my hall closet, right? And these are all my comforters, which I have another closet and it's full of my comforters. They just don't fit. Okay, I know you guys think this is really insane, but this is not even a quarter of the comforters and blankets that we have. And I didn't want to throw them away. I know these are twin and we don't have twin beds anymore, but I'm like, I have to find a way to reuse them for something. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so I'm actually in my daughter's room. I'm going to do this in my daughter's room. Let me show you what this is. This is called a duvet. I didn't even know these things existed until recently. I was on Amazon shopping around for like what are they, those bags that kind of help compress all the comforters. But I'm like, you know what, the weather's getting cold and I am freezing, and this is a huge bag, you could say. Look at it, huge, right? I got the queen size. It looks like a bag with a zipper on it. I'm trying to find the zipper for you guys, but here's the zipper. Okay, so what this is, it's called a duvet. I think I'm pronouncing that right? It's huge. So it goes over your comforter, right? But I'm like, it's a bag. How are they gonna know how many comforters are in there? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay all of these down. I gotta take them off her bed because there's so many. I gotta take them off the bed and I'm gonna lay them flat. Did I just break a nail? No. I'm gonna lay them flat on her bed and then I'm gonna put this over it. So let's go ahead and jump to that and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so she has a queen size bed and I have twin size comforters. So I'm kind of overlapping them because I think two twins make a king. So let me show you really quick. So I have my Star Wars here and then I overlapped it with her flower one, but the flower one's gonna stick out a bit to make it the size of a queen comforter. If I can find links to these duvets, I will post them down below, but I think they are a fantastic idea. I will show you the final look after I have piled all these comforters on top of each other. Right now with the Amazon being burned, I really don't want to add any more pollution or trash to our environment that's, you know, not really necessary. You know, a lot of people take old blankets and throw them away when this is a way to reuse them, look expensive, have a great looking comforter. I'm going to post a bunch of different links to different types of comforters because everybody's taste obviously varies. Mine, I just like solid colors and put accent pillows on it. But when I did this the first time, it just looks amazing. Now to finish it off, before I actually put the duvet on top of all of this, I'm gonna take her existing queen comforter and lay it on top, because this is going to be the part that kind of shows. It's going to be the top layer, and I want it to be looking like one piece, unlike all these separate pieces below it. So I'm just going to cover this whole thing. I find that this trick is a little handy. You get a rubber band, right? And you take the corner of all these trillions of comforters and sheets, mostly the big comforters. You take a rubber band and you grab it at the very end and just tie it like this over 2 or 3 times to make it tight. So when we're actually putting it in the duvet, that it's easier to manage and it's easier to pull it all together, because this actually weighs a good ton. So here's the seam. You guys can see, here's the seam. I'm already to the seam. Now we're going to put it on the bottom. So I'm going to pick it up. And I'm going to take this over to my bed and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You got to excuse my mess over there. But I want you to see, look at how extremely thick this is. I like it laying down. Even, but just look at it. Could you tell that that is like, I don't know, 15 blankets and comforters under there? No, you cannot. Look at this. I'm going to lay it down like this so you guys can see. Right there at the edge, it pops up a little bit, but let's just go in here and grab that and lay it down like that. So this is what it looks like when I finally finish. You guys can see. I don't know if you can really appreciate on camera just how extremely thick this comforter is and how heavy it is. But it is amazing, and these come in all different types of prints. All different types of prints, all different types of styles. I'll post a bunch down below, and you guys can check it out. I got this for dirt cheap, and I'm helping the environment by reusing my stuff. I am making my bedroom look like it's expensive and luxurious. And you know what? It's pretty. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Oh, I'm very sweaty. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.